Hi everyone, my name is Jihi. I'm a product manager for Conversational Insights, which is one of the 4 products that we have at Google's customer engagement suite. Conversational Insights in particular is an analytics application that is powered by AI for call centers and every other conversational data product. So I'm gonna just give you a quick demo of how the product looks like, and I'm gonna give you a teaser so that you can come back to the Google's website and understand more information. So let's say you are a supervisor, call center supervisor, and you want to kind of understand what's going on in your contact center. So in this quality AI, you can see in the overview page about your kind of high level statistics of what's going on. Here's volume, average quality score, average CSAT, average handle time, who are your top performing agents are, as well as what are the top 5 topics. None of this obviously is new probably if you are in this space. But what I want to emphasize on is this average quality score. How do you get to this average quality score? I'm going to show you here in this conversation tab. So again, as a supervisor, that you will come in here and see, oh, interesting, I think all the quality scores should be at least 50. But if you look at Edward's conversation that happened yesterday at 11, this is around 49%. And then you will click onto this conversation to understand more about the conversation. So this is the detailed conversation view where you can see the conversation spotlight. If this is an audio, the voice conversation, you will obviously have a recording here attached to it. You'll be able to listen to it, and you can see this kind of transcription that's going on here. We also show you what are the negative, positive sentiment. Another thing that I want to highlight here is that this sentiment analysis is powered by a large language model that is different from the traditional cloud NLU model that just looks at the utterance level sentiment. So on the right-hand side, you can see that this has been already scored by a scorecard called QM, Human Scorecard. And there are these 8 questions that you will have. Because this is a demo, it's already kind of baked in, but customers can customize these questions as well as the answer choices as however they would like. And you can define that here in the scorecard section. And if you have time, we'll show more about that. And then also in the summary section, as a supervisor, you can define different entities that you want to be summarized of. So in this situation, we have setups as situation, action, what are the customer satisfaction, what are the entity in terms of order number and product. And again, you can define what are the entities that you want to extract through summarization, however you would like. And then in the information tab, you can see the topics, topic model. I didn't talk about this topic model, but I'm not gonna cover this right now because I know that I'm already at 3 minutes. But this is the high level kind of call driver of what's going on and what the model has been deployed. And also, as I said, we also show you the conversation level sentiment as well as the rationale. And the resolution labels are key value pairs that you can add so that it's easy for you to track. Okay, so this was a high level teaser of quality AI product that we have. There's a bunch of reasons why this is very different from other auto QA solutions out there. So if you're interested, come visit Google's website to know more.